Hello children, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching my channel for the first time, like, subscribe and share. Come on, let's move on to today's class. Today's class, we are going to learn how to form the greatest and smallest numbers. Okay, so already we have learned, that is, if three digits are given, we know how to form the greatest and smallest numbers. How we will form the greatest number? To form the greatest number, arrange the digits in descending order. That is, we will arrange from big to small. You remember? And how to form the smallest number? To form the smallest number, we will arrange the digits in ascending order. That is, small to big. Okay. Now, in today's class, we will learn how to form the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers. Okay. Under two cases, that is, when the digits are not repeated, how to form the greatest and smallest number, and when the digits are repeated, how to form the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers we are going to see. Okay. One by one we will see. Form the greatest and smallest 4-digit number when the digits are not repeated. When the digits are not repeated, that is, see here, for example, 4 digits are given to you. That is 5, 8, 3, 7. So 4 digits are given to you. How you will form the greatest number? We will just arrange the digits in which order? Descending order. So big to small. So what will be the greatest number? 8753, that is 8753. Okay, how we will form the smallest number? We all know, that is, we have to arrange in the ascending order from small to big. That is 3578, that is 3578, isn't it? So do you understand? When the digits are not repeated, that is 4 digits are given, you are forming the 4-digit number. That is the greatest and smallest 4-digit number without repeating the digits. Okay, we will see more examples. 1635. How to form the greatest number? The greatest number is 6531. 6531. Smallest number is 1356. Small to big we have arranged. Okay. The next example, 3894. How to form the greatest number? So, descending order, big to small. So, 9843. The smallest number is 3489. That is 3489. Now the next example. The digits are 2173. How we will form the greatest number? So the greatest number is 7321. The smallest number is 1237. Next example, 9581. These are the digits given to you. What will be the greatest number? Arrange in descending order. 9851. And what will be the smallest number? 1589. Okay. So this is one case. That is, 4 digits are given and you are forming the greatest and smallest 4-digit number without repeating the digits. Is this clear? Now let us go to the next case. That is, when there is 0 in the series, that means in the previous case, there is no 0. Okay, 4 different digits were given and you have formed the greatest and smallest 4-digit number. But if suppose 0 is one of the digits, so what we have to do? When there is 0 in the series, don't write 0 in the beginning. That is, greatest number as usual you will form by arranging in descending order. Okay. But when you are forming the smallest 4-digit number, you should not write 0 in the beginning. So normally when we are arranging in ascending order, 0 will come first, isn't it? But we should not write 0 in the beginning. Why? Because if you write 0 in the beginning, it will become a 3-digit number. But we are forming smallest 4-digit number, isn't it? So that is the reason we are not writing 0 in the beginning. So when there is 0 in the series, don't write 0 in the beginning, because 0 in the extreme left of a number carries no value. So it will become a 3-digit number. So in such a case, write 0 as the second digit. So this is only for smallest number, when we are forming the smallest number. Okay. Greatest number normally you will form, but when we are forming the smallest number, you should not write 0 in the beginning. You have to write 0 as the second digit. Okay, now let us see some examples so you will understand it very clearly. Form the greatest and smallest 4-digit number when the digits are not repeated. We are not going to repeat the digit, but how this case is different from the previous case. Here 0 is one among the digits. See this example, 7807. So what are the 4 digits? Sorry, 5807. So 0 is one among the digits. So how you will form the greatest number? Arrange in descending order, that is 8750. But when you are forming the smallest number, you should not write 0578. What we have to do? We have to write 0 as the second digit. So the answer will be 5078. Is it clear, children? You should not write 0 in the first place. You have to write 0 as the second digit. So this is the greatest and smallest number. We will see more examples. See the next example. The digits given are 10. 0 is coming. So 1053. So what will be the greatest number? 5310. And what will be the smallest number? Don't write 0 at first. You have to write 0 as the second digit. So 1035. Is it clear, children, how we will read this number? 1035. Okay. Let us see few more examples. 3094. What will be the greatest number? 9430. And what will be the smallest number? 3049. Okay. Now let us see the next example. 2170. So the greatest number will be 7210 and the smallest number is 1027. Now next example, last example, 9501. These are the digits. So what will be the greatest number? 9510, that is 9510. And the smallest number is 1059. Okay, hope you all understood. Now you can take your own examples and you can try by yourself. Okay, children. Now, so when the digits are not repeated, we have learned how to form the greatest and smallest numbers, isn't it? Now let us go to the second case, that is when the digits are repeated. When the digits are repeated, how to form the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers. Okay, so let us see the examples. See here, only 3 digits are given. Okay, that is 261. Only 3 digits are given. But we have to form the greatest and smallest 4-digit number. So how it is possible? We have to repeat a digit. That is the only possible way, isn't it? Using 3 digits, how we can form a 4-digit number? We have to repeat 1 digit. So how to form the greatest number? So it is easy only. Normally you will arrange in the descending order. So you will arrange in the descending order, that is 6 to 1. But when you are forming the greatest 4-digit number, you have to repeat the biggest number 6 once again. So the answer will be 6621. So it will become a 4-digit number. We have repeated the digit 6. Is it clear? The biggest number you have to repeat when you are forming the greatest number. So the answer is 6621, 6621. Is it clear? So in the same manner, when we are forming the smallest 4-digit number, you have to arrange in the ascending order only. So how you will arrange? 1, 2, 6, isn't it? But we need to form 4-digit number. So you have to repeat the smallest number 1 once again. So the answer will be 1126. Is it clear, children? So the greatest number is 6621 and the smallest number is 1126. Is it clear? Now let us see more examples so you will understand it better. Yes, so the next question is 317. Using these 3 digits, we have to form a 4-digit number. So we are going to repeat the digits. So the greatest number is 7731, 7731, and the smallest number is 1137. Is it clear? So the next question, 425, 425. So what will be the greatest number? Which digit we have to repeat here? So 5 is the biggest digit, isn't it? So we have to repeat the digit 5 2 times. So 5542. And when we are forming the smallest number, which digit is the smallest one here? 2. So you have to repeat 2 2 times. So the smallest number is 2245, 2245. Okay, children. Now the next example, 273. So how to form the greatest number? Descending order only. So 732. Which digit you will repeat once again? 7 is the biggest digit. So you have to repeat 7. So 7732. 7732. And the smallest number will be, which digit you have to repeat here? 2. So 2237. 2237. The last example, 958, or the 3 digits. So what will be the greatest number? 9985. 9 is the biggest digit. So I have to repeat 9 2 times. And what will be the smallest number? Which digit is the smallest one here? 5. So repeat 5 2 times. So 5589. 5589. Is it clear? So when the digits are less, that is when 3 digits are given, and if you are asked to find greatest and smallest 4-digit number, you have to repeat a digit and you have to find in this way. Okay. Now the next condition is, if 0 is one of the digit, how you will form the greatest and smallest 4-digit number? Let us see. Okay. See here, see this example. Only 3 digits are given, 703. But we have to form a 4-digit number, and that too 0 is one of the digit. So how we have to form the greatest number? So greatest number is normally we will arrange in descending order. So what will be the answer? 730. Okay, 730. But we have to find the 4-digit number. So which digit you will repeat? 7 you have to repeat twice. So 7730. Okay. But when you are finding the smallest 4-digit number, you should not write 0 as the first digit. You should not write 0 as the second digit. So how you will form the smallest number? You have to write 0 as the second and third digit. You should not write a 037 or 0037. You should not write like that, because 0 in the beginning carries no value. We are forming 4-digit numbers, isn't it? So you should not write like that. So 0 should be placed as the second and third digit, that is 3007. So like this you have to form the smallest 4-digit number if 0 is one among the digits. Okay, let us see more examples. 490. What will be the greatest number? Which digit you have to repeat here? For finding the greatest number, 9 you have to repeat. So 9940, 9940. What will be the smallest number? 0 you have to repeat twice, but you should not take 0 as the first and the as the first digit, isn't it? So what will be the smallest number? You have to take 0 as the second and third digit. So 4009. Okay. Next example, 025. So what will be the greatest number? 5520. Smallest number will be 2005. 2005. Next, digits given are 270. So what will be the greatest number? 7 you have to repeat twice. So 7720, and the smallest number is 2007. So the next example is the digits given are 908. So what will be the greatest number? Which digit we have to repeat twice? 9 you have to repeat twice and arrange in the descending order. So 9980. And what will be the smallest number? 8009. So by this way, using 3 digits, we are forming greatest and smallest 4 digit numbers by repeating one of the digits. Okay. So this is another case. Now, let us see the next type. See here. Only 2 digits are given, but we have to form the greatest and smallest 4 digit number. How we will form? Let us see. See, the digits are 2 and 6. Only 2 and 6 are given. Okay, you have to form the greatest and smallest 4 digit number. Let us see how to form. It's very simple. So, normally we will arrange in descending order, no? For greatest number. So, how we will arrange in descending order? 6 to 62. But we need the greatest 4 digit number. So, you have to repeat that number 6 2 more times. The greatest digit is 6, right? So, that you have to repeat 2 more times. So, the answer is 6662, 6662. Okay. In the same manner, smallest number, arrange in ascending order. So the answer will be 26. But we need 26. But we need 4 digit number. So repeat that 2 more times. The smallest digit is 2, right? So that you have to repeat 2 more times. So the answer is 2226. So 2226. So we have formed the 4 digit numbers. Is it clear? So 6662 is the greatest number and 2226 is the smallest number. Is it clear, children? Now let us see the next example. 31. So what will be the greatest number? Which digit should be repeated? For finding the greatest number, 3 should be repeated. So 3331. For forming smallest number, which is the smallest digit here? 1. So 1 should be repeated 2 more times. So 1113. Okay, normally 1 3 ascending order means 1 3 you will find, but that one smallest digit 1 you have to repeat 2 more times. So 1113, 1113. Is it clear? Now next example. 4 2. So for greatest number, which digit we have to repeat? 4 we have to repeat 2 more times. So 42 you will get, but 4 you have to repeat 2 more times. So 4442. And for finding smallest number, smallest digit is 2. So you have to repeat 2 more times. So 2224. Okay, 2224. I didn't insert the commas because it may be confusing for you. That is why I didn't insert the commas. If you want, you can insert the commas between the thousands and hundreds place. Okay, that is 4,442 or else 2,224. Like that you can insert the commas. Next, 2 7. So what will be the greatest number? 7772, 7772. And the smallest number is 2227. Next digits given are 2 digits 9, 5. So what will be the greatest number? 9995, 9995, and the smallest number is 5559. Is it clear, children? So these are the possible questions. When the digits are not repeated, how to find the greatest and smallest number, and when the digits are repeated, how to find the greatest and smallest number. Now let us see the mixed questions from this topic. Okay. See here, 4 digits are given. How to find the greatest and smallest number? For finding greatest number, arrange in descending order. So what will be the answer? 8621, 8621. What will be the smallest number? 1268. That is arrange in ascending order. Okay. One more example. 3142. How to form the greatest number? 4321. Big to small. 4321. 4321. Smallest number is 1234. Okay. Now comes the next type. That is, if 0 is one among the digit, how to find? 4230. So what will be the greatest number? Greatest number as usual, descending order. So 4320. But when you are forming the smallest number, take 0 as the second digit. So the answer will be 2034. 0 should come as the second digit. Okay. Now the next example is 2061. So using these 4 digits with 0 as one of the digit, how to form the greatest number? 6210. And when you are forming smallest number, don't take 0 as the first digit, take 0 as the second digit. So 1026. Now the next type of question, 3 digits will be given to you. You have to form the greatest number by repeating any one of the digits. So 958. So which digit you will repeat here? For forming the greatest number, 9 should be repeated. So 9985. And for forming smallest number, smallest digit should be repeated one more time. So 5589. Okay, 5589. Now next type, if 0 is one among the digits. Okay, one more example, that is 216. 216. So for forming greatest number, which digit we have to repeat here? The greatest digit is 6. So 6 has to be repeated. 6621. Smallest number is 1126. The smallest digit is 1, that has to be repeated. So 1126. Now if 0 is one among the digits and 3 digits are alone given, how to form the greatest and smallest 4 digit number? Greatest number will be 3310, 3310, and the smallest number will be, take 0 as the second and third digit, that is 1003. One more example, 084. 084 means what will be the greatest number? Which digit we have to repeat? 8 you have to repeat 2 more times. So 2 times, that is 8840. And what will be the smallest number? 4008. Okay. Now if only 2 digits are given, how to form the greatest number? Repeat the greatest digit 9 2 more times, that is 9996. And how to form the smallest number? Repeat the smallest digit 2 more times, that is 6669. One more example, 47. So how to form the greatest number? Repeat the greatest digit 7 2 more times. So 7774. And the smallest number is 4447. Okay. Hope you all understood today's class. I have given more and more examples. Keep practicing by taking your own questions, children. Thank you for watching. If you are watching for the first time, subscribe, like and share. Thank you, children. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.